Today I had the pleasure of indulging in one of my all-time favorite street food dishes, wonton noodles with char siu and crispy pork. Thai speakers pronounce Mee Moo Daeng Moo Grob. This dish is a staple in Thai street food culture, known for its perfect combination of flavors and textures. It's a meal that you can find at almost every corner, making it both accessible and deeply rooted in the daily lives of locals. The dish starts with springy egg noodles, boiled to the perfect consistency, neither too soft nor too firm. These noodles serve as the foundation, holding together the various elements that make this dish so special. Next, there are the wontons, plump and filled with seasoned minced pork, wrapped in delicate, thin skins that become tender and flavorful when boiled. The char siu, or roasted red pork, adds a hint of sweetness with its caramelized edges, while the crispy pork belly offers a delightful contrast with its crunchy exterior and tender, juicy meat. But the experience doesn't stop there. The broth, made from simmering pork bones or chicken, is what ties everything together. It's light, yet rich in flavor, complementing the ingredients without overpowering them. Every spoonful of this broth enhances the noodles and meats, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that's both comforting and satisfying. What makes wonton noodles with char siu and crispy pork so beloved is not just the taste, but also its availability. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet neighborhood, you can easily find this dish at local food stalls or small eateries. The simplicity of the ingredients, combined with the complexity of flavors, makes it a dish that's both familiar and special. Today, as I enjoyed my bowl of noodles, I was reminded of why this dish is such a favorite. It's more than just a meal. It's a representation of Thai street food culture, unpretentious, yet full of character and warmth. If you ever find yourself in Thailand, I highly recommend trying this dish. It's a taste of local life, wrapped up in one delicious bowl.